Hello, SOL PE scholars. This is Magister Beck and Magister Cole and myself for this week, week 15. We want you for your PE assignment to do what you see on the screen in front of you on this YouTube channel. It says choose one exercise stretch from each of the three groups and do them in between Zoom calls. And we'd like you to choose different ones each time so you're not doing the exact same thing. So let's say in between my math Zoom call and my Spanish Zoom call, I'm going to do 15 jumping jacks, 15 squats, and 15-second butterfly stretch. So those are the three I'm going to do real quick in between my Zoom calls. And then in between Spanish and music, maybe I choose to do 30-second high knees, 15 push-ups, and 20 knee hugs. And those are the three I choose to do next time. So if you guys do this a couple times next week, it's a short week. It's only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then you guys have Friday off of school to start winter break. But if you do this 2 times next week, you'll probably have enough PE points. But if you want to do it and turn it into a routine and do it daily, that'd be fantastic, because if you're sitting at a computer or laptop or tablet or what have you all day long, you guys are going to get tired super quick. So in between each class, you're sitting for 40 some minutes. If you get up and stretch and do a couple of like 2-3 of these, it'll help you guys be more aware and awake during class. So Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, this is what we'd like you guys to try for week 15. And like I said, turn it into a routine, guys. It's going to be more helpful, and you guys will learn a lot better. You'll be a lot smarter during the day. So this is Magister Cole and Magister Beck signing out. Hope you guys have a fantastic week 15, and we will see you guys after winter break. Talk to you guys later.